Happy day students, class 8, chapter 9, surfing internet. This is your Jan portions. So, let's have a glance through the textbook. First is surfing internet. So, what is internet? All of you know, right? Something right now, of course, you might be knowing internet connection you have gone through. Like we are connecting each other, being different parts of this. Within India, we are in different parts and we are able to connect to you. You may be in your native or you may be in wherever, like I may be in my native, you may be in my native, wherever we are, it doesn't matter, we are able to connect to each other. It's happening through internet. So spread worldwide like a fire. So how is its connection happening? You might have heard about Tcpip protocol. It is transmission protocol. Like why we are protocols means a set of rules. So even for when we are passing something, we have to maintain some rules. Only why do we emphasize some rules in the classroom or in the school? If some rules are given, like the things carry over in a smooth way. Yeah. For that purpose, even in for internet also, we have a transition control protocol or internet protocol known as TCP/IP. Okay. Then we have World Wide Web. World Wide Web was developed in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee in Switzerland. Yes. So you might have gone through this Tim Berners-Lee's I believe in your previous class. So WW we called as a client server technology. The first chapter I told you what is client and server, right? Client means a person who is requesting and server a person who is replying to it. So client server technology. Client can be a number and server can give the reply to all these clients. Then we might have gone across HTML. Any web page that is being created at the end, it is a HTML page. It can be dynamic HTML or extensible HTML, but it is basically a HTML page. Why I am going so smoothly? Because I know most of you have gone through all these topics. It's very simple. At this era, these topics maybe will be known for all of you by this time. So we'll just have a glance on what are the topics are. Streaming media, you might have seen YouTube when we are streaming. Some of you might be saying it takes buffering time is more, wherein we had to wait for a long time for the next word or next for it to stream. So that is another buffering time. They are given few examples of it there. Then real-time communication. Now we are doing a real-time communication, right? We are available over the internet and we are communicating. You may be asking me some questions. I may be replying. I may be calling out your name, asking you some questions. So it is like we have chat, audio, video. I'm sharing my screen to all of you. So application sharing. So real-time communication is none other than what we are doing during our class time. Then comes the Skype. Long back, maybe you might have heard about the Skype. I don't know how many of you are using it, because right now even without a Skype we can make a call. Yeah. At that time, it was application to voice over. It basically internet. Long distance communication was carried over. So just shown you how to create go to this particular website. Then they will ask you to give the login credentials. You have to give the details, your phone number and your name which you want to appear over. Then they agree for and continue. And that name, when you share with your friends or your relatives, they will be also able to connect you through the Skype. Yes. So these are those steps. Then we can even add contacts in it. Once your account is being created, you can add contacts to it. So every time you're not dialing, you just need to give the phone person's name, then you will be able to get. So this is how this will be the prompt, like you have to give these many details over here and click add, it will be added. Yes. So this is how it appears when you're clicking. It will show call or video. You can do it even from the phone, but the one which they are shown right now is from the laptop or a system. Then creating a blog. Blog means easy to create. You have some thoughts. You're going to share it. Like I have some ideas on MS Access. I'm going to present it over in a particular website. And you can, any one of you, if you wish, you can follow that website. You can apply to that website, or you can, there may be some cooking blogs you might have seen. Wherein a person of his choice is just writing. He's not asking anyone else to follow that page and all. But when we find his thoughts are good enough, we keep on following. So you can do that one with the help of WordPress.com. So they are given the steps over here, how to create a blog. Yeah. So I have happened to create a blog during my B.Ed days wherein it was about my passion of teaching computer science, why I want to teach computer science. As I have created, we can add images and we can see how many of them have viewed it. Even I did it with the help of this WordPress, this website, this particular website. Even I use the same website and created the blog. So they are showing you how even after creating, you can edit the blog even. Yeah. So that's all in this chapter. With this, we have completed the entire portions of your class 8. Yeah. So happy day, students. Have a nice learning.